Yeah, I might end up crying tonight. It depends on how well this video's going.
My name is
Okay,
Jacob.
let's see.
You most likely cry.
How are you guys?
Me?
No.
I'm a
Alright,
slow
someone lead the way.
Oh,
bitch.
Seth, you're okay.
I hate being slow.
Okay, I'm in.
I don't know why my mouse is doing
Lead
that.
the way, Seth.
Usually I'm not supposed to see it.
What?
Follow the guy in the blue blazer. You. Lead
Did
the
you-
way.
Did you know that right click is to sprint as well?
Yeah, I knew that.
Why the fuck do I have to lead?
Because you're the fastest walker.
Okay, yeah, no. Ladies first.
Wow, you're a
Sure.
giant cock.
Come on,
Go, Seth.
Selma.
You know,
Seth, are you playing as
Here,
the
one.
one guy?
I'm it.
You have to lead.
I already got one.
Alright, let's split up, gang.
Yeah, no, let's not split up, cause choice.
Everyone, run in separate directions now.
Serpentina.
No, 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 no.
Jump the button, sorry, you can't find it.
Oh shit!
I hear a scream.
Okay, he just died. No.
He was dying already.
Yeah, he just died. No, 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 no.
Oh, hello.
Seth,
Look what I just found.
Monster's right behind me.
Seth,
Guys,
I'm coming for you, Seth.
Oh wow, I can actually see. What the hell? Look, the monster's right behind me. Guys,
Hi, Seth.
guys.
These are definitely
Hey,
different.
welcome back.
Don't look behind you, Seth.
Let's go in there.
Oh, who died?
This is totally legit.
Guys.
I did.
Eric.
Yellow.
I tried to have a staring contest with the monster.
Best night ever.
Guys.
We're dead, buddy.
Seth, I'm right
Does that
behind
have a
you.
problem with these things?
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Fuck you.
Come
Oh
on,
my god, the
right?
courtyard.
Fuck this. Oh god. It's getting very staticky. Oh.
That means you're near a recording. Alright.
No. No.
Pick it up. Press space, pick it up and
No.
be fine.
No. Screw you, monster. Stay the. You can see this middle finger right now.
Are you getting the Markiplier to your more defense?
Yes. Oh.
Ah.
God. No. No.
Seth, are you going off on your own?